this is Tracy with Tracy's Easy Eats, and I'm going to show you something that I like to do with tofu that's really simple. I'm going to use it kind of like cheese in pasta with tomato sauce. And when I was in college, in the dorms, I remember eating pasta with tomato sauce, and there was like something like feta cheese in it, but it wasn't like, it didn't have like a feta cheese flavor. I'm like, oh, that's really good. I like this cheese, and then I found out it was tofu. So this is before I became like vegan and stuff. Anyway, oh yeah, before I start, Emma wanted to be in the video. So here she is.
I'm Emma from Convenient Crafts for Kids.
She has her own channel, Convenient Crafts for Kids. And what do you do on this channel?
It's more like art crafting and toy reviews.
And you make all the crafts yourselves, right? Like I don't help you with any of it.
Yeah.
So she figures out crafts that she wants to make, like usually out of like paper or recycled stuff, and she just makes stuff, and I just leave and she just does it. So anyway, can I show them what I'm making?
Sure.
Okay, so then I put some tomato sauce in the bowl. I also want to show you the order that I layer it, because I just microwave it, and a lot of times when you use tomato sauce in the microwave, it splurts up. So what I've learned to do is put it in the bowl first, and then I'm going to take some of this tofu that I have just set in the container. Like I just opened the container, set it in there, and left it for like a couple hours, and then I just poured the water off. And so this is extra firm tofu, and it makes it like really, like even more firm when the water drains off. And you can cube it with like a knife, but because I'm like simple, I just throw it in there in little pieces, as if those pieces were feta cheese or some kind of, or soft mozzarella. Actually, it's more like, it doesn't have like a strong flavor. It's actually like a soft mozzarella cheese is what it's like one of those really expensive ones that you find in the expensive cheese section that, you know, when I used to eat cheese, which I don't, that's like, that's soft and doesn't have like a very strong flavor. That's what it's like. And it's almost like hard to tell the difference. So now I put the tofu in, and so this is all gonna help the tomato sauce and keep it from splurting up. And I'm gonna put some pasta in there. And notice this is just like you can just do this for yourself or for someone who's like hungry. You don't have to make like a big family meal. It's just like a simple thing. And now when I put this in the microwave, it's going to, all this like stuff, especially the pasta on top of the sauce, is going to keep the sauce from splurting up. And so I just put it in there uncovered for, these are cold noodles and cold sauce and everything. And I like to heat my sauce really well so it doesn't give me a stomach ache. So maybe like 2 minutes, but you might only need like a minute and a half. I don't know, whatever you want. Mix it up, and then you can season it. You can put extra spices in it. You could put extra salt if you eat salt, pepper, whatever. And then you have just a really nice filling pasta dish with tofu. So from, you want to say your site?
Yeah, Convenient Crafts for Kids.
And Tracy's Easy Eats. Remember to keep it easy.